This is the #1 problem I see as I visit Aquascape Ecosystem water gardens all over the world. Plants that get sold in the actual container that they come from the nursery and put into the pond. What you should do is always remove them from the baskets. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually show you how to properly plant an aquatic plant. This container certainly does not look like this container, does it? This is a plastic container, this is a fabric container. The fabric container will allow the roots to get nutrients out of the water, and the most important thing, it'll allow the plant that gets root bound to spread out. It will not be nearly as root bound. You're gonna get a much healthier plant. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to properly plant an aquatic water lily. Super important, the right size soil mix. This aquatic plant soil from Aquascape has actually been blended for aquatic plants. So it's not just soil, it's filled with gravel and sand. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put 2 of these in here right now for this size pot. And at this point, we got it like that, we're gonna add our fertilizer. So we're gonna spread out our fertilizer right on the bottom, take our lily, and because when you are dealing with a hardy water lily, the rhizomes grow across, we're gonna put it on one of the edges, not in the middle. A tropical lily you put in the middle, but on a hardy, with the rhizome grows across, you wanna have it the entire growing surface. So now 1 more bag of soil, 3 bags of soil, plenty of space. Look at how much soil we went through for 1 aquatic plant. Imagine trying to get that into this container. It would never happen. So now what we wanna do is simply add gravel on the top. And this plant is ready to be put in the pond. Now that plant will grow big and full and bloom way more because it's in the right size container with the right soil and fertilized.